Just overall a very rugged light. It's also marine grade for corrosive applications also that may exist in many industrial locations. Hi everyone, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a new product that we're stocking here in New Hampshire and in California. It's an explosion-proof emergency light, C1D1, C1D2 rated for explosive environments, whether or not there's explosive gas or liquids present all the time, or where they can happen by accident. These lights are mainly used for egress points, where people need to get out when the lights, when the power goes off. So let me get this out of here. The model numbers are EXPLS 10 5000K C1D1. The fact that it covers C1D1, it means it can also be used in all lower rated areas, C1D2 and etc. So again, it is an emergency light, so it has a built-in battery. It lasts up to 90 minutes plus. Needs 24 hours to charge, has two lights, total of 10 watts, 5 watts each. So it does light up an area pretty good. Again, they're used at points of egress. They're surface mounted against the wall. Your power comes in, and just overall a very rugged light. It's also marine grade for corrosive applications also that may exist in many industrial locations. But we do stock these. You have both an in and an out if you're running conduit into it and out to it to other lights also. But in general, just an overall very, very good light. There's a test button and everything. The lights can be turned and tilted depending on turned depending on where you want the area you want lit up. For easy wiring, there's an easy access point for you to get in to adjust your wiring. But in general, a very rugged light. So these are stocked in New Hampshire. We usually ship in 3 to 5 days. We can ship anywhere in the US. So, give one of your lighting specialists a call and they can tell you all about it. Have a great day and stay in the light.